can stay plugged in. You've seen this, every week we talk about this. But it's, Monday morning you start your day with the group scoop at 10 a.m. Central Time. And then Tuesdays we have the Field Training Academy calls that are in the evening that, are 45 minutes of additional nuggets, trainings that we can provide, tips for you. And then Wednesday, we have the second Wednesday of the month, we do the the Solutions Expo. And then also we'll do the group scoop replay on Wednesdays at 5 p.m. Central Time. I usually post that around 5 o'clock. If you can't find it, one of the things we're learning is just change your view in there. I think it defaults to relevant. Change it to recent posts, and you'll see where that gets posted. And then, of course, on Fridays, we have Facebook Live at 10 a.m. Again, just another way to, give you nuggets, tips that you can take with you to help jumpstart or keep your business going.